We want to find sine of u over 2 if secant u is negative 3.104 and u is in quadrant 2. So first of all, thinking about an angle in quadrant 2, if u is in quadrant 2, we know it's greater than, I put or equal to, but that'd be quadrantal, so it's just greater than pi over 2, and it's less than pi. That's just simply the angles that are in quadrant 2. If we did half of u, so if we divided this by 2, I would need to divide both of these ends of the inequality by 2 as well. U over 2 is going to be between pi fourths and pi halves, and that is in quadrant 1 where it's positive. So when I go to write my formula for the sine of the half angle u divided in half, that's normally plus or minus, but we know it's the plus because it's got to be in quadrant 1 if it's between pi fourths and pi halves. And then the formula is 1, the sign is minus, so minus cosine u over 2. Now, I don't know cosine u, but I can get it because we have secant u, and remember secant is 1 over cosine u. And so that equals negative 3.104. So I can solve that for cosine, so cosine u is 1 over negative 3.104. So the answer to this is going to be the square root of 1 minus, this is cosine u, so the two minuses will make a plus, 1 over 3.104, and then that whole thing divided by 2. So you could enter this in, or you could enter this in the calculator and approximate. We'll carry it to 4 decimal places. So if I'm entering this in the calculator and I put the square root, I would need parentheses around the numerator since there's more than one term, and then divide that by 2, and then I'm going to round to 4 decimal places, so that's 0.813, and then it's 0.06, so I would round that if I'm going to 4 decimal places, 201.